I'm going to demonstrate how to use a metered dose inhaler. First, remove the cap of the inhaler. Shake well for 5 seconds. Hold the inhaler firmly by placing your index finger on top of the canister and your thumb below the mouthpiece. Sit up straight or stand up. Tilt your head slightly and breathe in. Then breathe out. Place the mouthpiece in between your teeth. And then press the inhaler simultaneously while breathing in. And hold your breath for 5 seconds. Then breathe out. Then repeat the step if you need to cough another one. Thank you.